Hi beautiful people, so it's a beautiful and sunny day and I am loving it already here in KPONG. So this is like KPONG and the other side is Akosombo, but I keep mixing. It's just like few minutes in between them, so I just call both of them like Akosombo. Yeah, so we are still here in Akosombo, okay? Yeah guys, so today is Saturday and we'll be leaving on Monday, so we are still here and it's very serene and nice. So today's video I'm gonna give you like the tour of the environment of the hotel that we lodged. Sorry, I'm by the roadside. I had to walk like to the main street to show you everything because guys, I love the services of this hotel. So that is the signboard of the hotel and that is the number. It says Small World Hotel. I'm sorry for the noise guys, I am by the roadside. Small World Hotel, wine, dine and rest, and they have centers for events as well. So that is the number over there. You can contact them if you need extra services. So now we are walking into the hotel and they have like a great environment. Like the entrance is super catchy and attractive. You can easily be attracted to the place and ask like, oh, what do they do here or something like that. Yeah, because the entrance is clean as well. You can see it for yourself guys. I am not even exaggerating. You can see like the serene environment, the trees. Oh my goodness, you don't even need a fan. If you're feeling hot, just step out, sit under the tree and have some comfort. And these mangoes guys, look at that. Ooh. It looks ripe though. We are almost getting to the main entrance of the hotel, but right on the left is like a summer hut and I think you can hold an event reception over here. It's beautiful. Still walking through the entrance. Some beautiful trees, beautiful mangoes, like more mangoes here. Fresh. It's not ripe yet, so I cannot plug it. I don't even think I have the permission to. Yes, so we are now in the entrance. So right on the left is the room of the security here. I think they have extra spaces and stores over there. And here is the bar of the place. So you can hold an event here as well. I don't know if they operate on weekends or something. On the right side, looks like there is an animal farm here. Let me show you guys. Hello, good morning. Looks like there's an animal farm over here. Yes. Oh guys, I love the shades here. So this is a small farm. We asked the managers yesterday and she said they don't sell the animals. It's just for like some sort of attractions. Hi. Yeah, so this is a car park over here and that is the reception over there. That area is the reception and here is the hotel. So lovely, so quiet, clean environment. Yep. Alright guys, it's gonna be a little dark in the it's a sample and it's empty. So that is the bed right there. It has 2 pillows. The way to the left is the bathroom, like the washroom. Yeah, bathroom and toilet. There's a mirror and there is a I am standing outside, but there's like a wardrobe over there. Yeah, and here you have your refrigerator, your table, your mini couch, There's also like a TV, but I cannot get to it. But I forgot to show you something in the bathroom yesterday, and that is what I'm going to show you now. Okay, so over here in the bathroom, there is this regulator that you can use to regulate like hot and cold water. So here's you have your switch here, so you just switch it on and boom, there you go. And trust me, the water, if you want it hot, you get it extremely hot. Yeah, and if you want it cold too, it's up to you. So they have that here. And guys, as I said, it's very affordable, very affordable. It's 150 Ghana cedis, and you get everything just as you get it at a luxury hotel. Maybe a jacuzzi plus, and here they don't have a pool over here, but you can still, you know, sleep here, and you can use other amenities at these expensive hotels we have around. And trust me on this, it's so cool and nice place. Security is on point as well. So that is all I have for you today. So guys, I am on top of the building now, and you can stand here to have like a general overview of the whole place. Yeah, so I just showed you the regulator, and yep, yeah guys, trust me, you can have a lot for just 150 Ghana cedi. Guys, I was not paid for this, okay, but I love the place and I am sharing the information just in case you have plans of coming to Akosombo or Pong or surrounding neighborhood. Then this is a good place for you to lodge. Okay, I will see you in the next. Till then, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at life_of_Chrissy, and let's vibe more over there. Love you guys.